back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If this is your first time seeing this gorgeous girl, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. You guys, it's been a minute, I know. Trust me, I did not run away from YouTube. Life has been happening, but that's by the way. Yeah. So today's video is like really, really short. So I'm taking down my 2 months old braids. I intend to film the full takedown, but I realized that I have like 2 or 3 videos on this channel where I showed you guys how to take down braids. And what I usually do is to spray my hair with a lot of water, like from the end to the root, and then just detangle as I go. I realized that has a bad side to it because sometimes when the hair is like really, really fragile or really, really wet and you're manipulating it as so much, you can have much breakage. As the hair is too dry, it will cause breakage. There's a thin line between not too dry and not too wet. So that is where your or that's the state where your hair is supposed to be so that you don't cause any, wear and tear. Yesterday, the whole day yesterday was for taking down my braids, and yesterday night was just remaining this one. So this one of the first things you want to get is a scissors. So if I can measure this, I don't know if you guys can see. So this is about the same here. So I know my hair would stop somewhere here. So I shouldn't cut anywhere here. But guess where I cut? I came down all the way to cut my hair, to cut the extension over here because I don't want to cut too close to my hair. So I cut very far away, and then I get like a mini size comb that looks like this, and I just go and comb the ends out like so. So this sort of saves time, you know. Before, what I would do is just to start spraying this entire strand of braid with water, and it's like it's been taking me like a lot of time to get through it. One thing I noticed while taking down my hair is that my hair did feel a little fresh underneath the braids. It didn't look very dirty or feel very dry because I would always spray my hair with water interval, like during the time I was carrying the braids. After the first 2 weeks of making the hair, I did go ahead to wash these braids. I'm going to leave the link to the video in the cards up up here or here. You see it, it'll pop on top of this video right now. So if you haven't seen it, kindly go and check it out. I feel like this is the longest time I've had to carry any braids. I'm serious, you guys. And then as I'm getting close to my hair, I get a rat tail comb like this, and I go in between and use my hands to detangle or to unravel it. Yeah, I know you guys already know this, but then I will show you what I will do when I get there. So what I do is to apply some of this leave-in conditioner. It's sort of like a detangler, so it helps. So what I do, I spray some water, just a little amount of water to loosen things up a bit. Then I go ahead and take just a pea size of the leave-in conditioner and I put it right there, on the spot. And I just massage that into it, completely. And then I begin to unravel with my hands. As you can see, I still have some extensions with it. So yeah, now that's all my hair. So I detangle with my hand, and trust me, if you see a lot of shedding, don't worry. We shed a lot of hair every day, so for the past 2 months I have not been able to detangle my hair or get rid of all the shed hair. So today or yesterday, all of that shed hair would come down. So yeah, so you can see there wasn't a lot of um hair that was coming down from there. So what I would do is to detangle using the big side of this comb, like so, just to make sure that I get rid of all the shed hair. And then I go in with the small side, do the same thing to it. Look at this up close, if you can see. There's build up on here. Just a pea size amount and put it right there and massage that as well. Look at that. Ahead, I use my comb. All done. And that's it. That's everything I do. Let me know in the comments section if you learned anything new. Let me know if you do this hair when taken down. Yeah, love the process. Ooh, you guys can see I have a lot of new growth. I swear, a lot of new growth. What? This is like 5 months worth of new growth. Because the last time I relaxed this hair was in October. So October 10th. So November, December, January, February, March. So 5 months. And yeah. Let me quickly show you guys the relaxer. I know. You must be dying to ask me where is our nature's jet to touch? Listen, you guys. When I went to the store, I couldn't find it. Like I went to several places, like the usual store where I would get it. They didn't have any in stock. And the only thing I saw there was this olive. And I'm like, oh, what am I going to do? But I just picked it up because I love their shampoo. I have a video where I bought their shampoo and conditioner last year or early this year. I love the formula and the way it is, and my spirit was like, just go for this one. You might eventually like it. So I'll unbox this in my next video. I'll show you guys. If you already use this product, so you already know what's inside. But if you're new and you like me to do an unboxing and show you guys how I use it to relax my hair and the results, you definitely want to stick to this channel. Subscribe down below right now. There's a red subscribe button below this video. Kindly click on it so that you will not miss a video, and also click on the bell, so you get notification when the new video goes up. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, kindly go ahead and smash that big like button. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.